Hey guys, I hope you're keeping well. My topic today is on how to make decisions. I chose it because I think it's the most appropriate topic to come after finding your life's purpose. To find your life's purpose, you have to make some really important decisions. We all know what it means to make decisions, and we all make decisions every day. Everything you do, whether you do it consciously or unconsciously, is as a result of a decision you've made. Every time you choose one thing over another, it involves a decision. So you would expect that making decisions should come quite easily to most of us, but it doesn't. Making important decisions can be quite daunting. They can involve a lot of soul searching, weighing the pros and cons, considering worst case scenarios, and worrying about how your decision will impact the lives of those you care about. To be continued in my next video. Take care, stay safe, and never stop believing in how awesome you are.